The secret for super crispy and delicious potatoes. To start, cut 3 potatoes into very thin strips. Then put these potatoes in a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 liter of water, some iced ice, and stir all of this very well. Oh, and tell me where you're watching this from, so I can thank you for following our recipes. To continue, drain all the water. And dry the potatoes with the help of a paper towel. After that, in a bowl, add 1 cup of sifted flour and 1 cup of sifted cornstarch, and stir to combine. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and so delicious. I'm sure everybody will like the result. Now add all the potatoes to this mixture and stir to combine. Then pass them again through a sieve to remove the excess flour and starch. In a pan, add a lot of oil, and when it's very hot, put in all the potatoes. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and comment below, I love potato chips. When they are fried, drain all the oil. And our recipe is ready. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.